Hello world and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna show you this super easy makeup tutorial called No Makeup Makeup Look. It's like wearing no makeup, but you're actually wearing makeup. What? Okay, let's face it. There are days when we feel like lazy, but we still have to look fabulous. So for me, this no makeup tutorial is the answer, especially when you're going out for some outdoor sports activity or you're traveling, you're about to hit the airport or for long flights. For me, the main source of confidence is my oily skin. I have lots of pigments and breakouts, and this no makeup look is really helping me out to feel confident and show up to the world. It looks very natural, that's why it's super easy to do, super fun. You can leave it like this, you can even enhance it further. So without further ado, let's dive in. Yeah, this is me without any makeup on. I'm not blessed with a nice skin. Thanks to the one who invented the makeup, I've already moisturized my face and I'm gonna use this for the primer today. Primer is very important, especially when you have oily skin like me. It prolongs your makeup. You don't have to retouch from time to time. For the eyes, I have hooded eyelids. Prime it with this MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And today's foundation is from Essence, number 15 Soft Cream. I have to pump up about 2 here with my damp beauty blender. Really let it in. I've been doing a technique lately, and each and every time now I do my makeup, you will see that's how I do my foundation on. Because I've proven it's not really caking at all. When you have an oily skin, your makeup cakes a lot. So I think you have to do this for like about 2 to 3 minutes and just on half side of your face. Really let it in, include your eyes, and extra pressure right there in the more detailed parts of your face. Now let's head on with the natural contouring. I have this round and puffy face. Obviously you can see it. Want to contour it in a more natural way. So this is a darker concealer from Photo Finish AM/PM. It's in the shade of 04. You just need to choose that one, something that is darker than your shade. You've seen me in my contouring before. I'm doing this a lot because contouring is my best friend to reduce the puffiness in my nose and puffiness in my eyes. Yes, I do get a puffy eyelid because I have hooded eyelids. Start the blending now. Using the sponge makes it appear more natural. Just take your time to really blend it. It will end up looking so natural. I don't intend to cover my spots, my freckles, my breakouts, because I still want to look natural. Here I have to reduce. If you haven't seen that video yet about my contouring, it's here. It's right here. Oh, I feel so much better now with this. Now let's do the eyebrows. Let's start by brushing it off with a spoolie. I'm gonna use a pencil for today's video. This pencil really creates a more natural looking eyebrows. I already have full eyebrows. I just need to improve it. I prefer not to alter the shape of my natural eyebrows. Just follow it. And again, with the help of the spoolie. Since I got puffy face and hooded eyelids, I need to add up a little bit more here to make my eyes appear bigger. I don't know if you're supposed to be doing the eyeliner, but using this Koho pencil from Max Factor, it depends on your goal. For your no makeup look, for me is to reduce the puffiness, apply some light line, very light, to make your lashes appear more visible. I think I'm gonna use some kind of contour powder just to reduce the puffiness. And yes, don't forget the curler. With this kind of hooded eyelids, curling is your best friend. And today I'm gonna use this from the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara to keep the lashes in place, and here also because it said it's gel for eyebrows. And the last one should be the lips. I'm gonna use this, the first coat. I love to moisturize my lips. From Essence Soft Contouring Lip Pencil in the shade of number 8. It depends on closest to your natural skin tone. For me, this is the one. I'm just gonna do the natural lip lining. Let me go back with my hair done and earrings on. So here I am, all done. I love this no makeup look. I think everyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Even if you're just a beginner or you just want to get started with the makeup. You don't need a bunch of makeup. People can just think that you're naturally pretty, and it totally changes how you feel. You can show up to the world and just feel confidently beautiful. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.